Welcome to today's video. Tired of spending hours cleaning? Discover the magic of baking soda. It's a cleaning powerhouse for grease, odors, and stains. Simplify your routine and bring peace to your home. Stick around for step-by-step cleaning hacks. In our quest for tidy homes, it's easy to reach for harsh chemicals, but what about a gentler approach? Baking soda is a natural cleaning agent, free from the harsh chemicals found in many commercial cleaners. It's safe to use around food, your precious little ones, and even your beloved pets. This gentle nature brings a sense of peace of mind, knowing you're creating a safe haven for your family. Baking soda allows us to clean with a clear conscience, knowing we're not introducing harmful substances into our sanctuary. Just as a single item can spark joy in multiple ways, baking soda's versatility is truly remarkable. From banishing unwanted odors to tackling stubborn grease, baking soda is a multi-talented cleaning companion. It's like having a toolbox filled with specialized cleaners, all neatly contained within one humble box. This versatility allows us to simplify our cleaning routines, embracing a minimalist approach to cleaning supplies. Instead of a cabinet overflowing with specialized cleaners, we can rely on this single, versatile ingredient. Creating a tidy and joyful home shouldn't require expensive solutions. Just as we find joy in simplifying our possessions, we can find contentment in using affordable and accessible cleaning products like baking soda. A single box, costing less than most commercial cleaners, holds the power to transform your cleaning routine. This accessibility ensures that everyone can experience the joy of a clean and tidy home, regardless of their budget. Baking soda embodies the idea that true joy comes not from material wealth, but from creating a harmonious and balanced life. Our homes should be havens of peace and tranquility, not only for ourselves but also for the environment we cherish. Baking soda, a biodegradable and environmentally friendly option, embodies this mindful approach to cleaning. Imagine cleaning your home, knowing that you're not releasing harmful chemicals into the environment. Picture a world where sparkling, clean homes coexist harmoniously with a thriving natural world. By choosing baking soda, we're making a conscious decision to reduce our ecological footprint. This mindful approach to cleaning extends beyond our homes, contributing to a more sustainable future for generations to come. The heart of our homes, our kitchens, deserve special attention. Let's transform our stoves and ovens, often the victims of culinary adventures, into sparkling examples of tidiness and joy. Baking soda, our trusty cleaning companion, will guide us on this journey. Start by mixing 1 cup of baking soda with water, creating a paste that embodies both gentleness and strength. Apply this paste to the greasy areas of your stove and oven, allowing it to work its magic for 15 to 30 minutes. Spray vinegar over the baking soda paste and watch in delight as the mixture fizzes, gently lifting away dirt and grime. Finally, wipe away the grime with a sponge, revealing the gleaming surface beneath. Our sinks, witnesses to countless meals and gatherings, deserve to sparkle with joy. Begin by generously sprinkling baking soda all over your sink, envisioning it as a blanket of freshness enveloping every nook and cranny. Then, using a brush, scrub in circular motions, gently coaxing away stains and grime. For an extra touch of sparkle and a burst of invigorating fragrance, squeeze lemon juice onto the baking soda. Finally, rinse thoroughly with warm water, watching as the baking soda and lemon juice disappear down the drain, carrying away impurities and leaving behind a radiant shine. Our cutting boards, silent partners in our culinary creations, deserve the utmost care and attention. Begin by sprinkling baking soda and salt evenly on the cutting board, creating a purifying blend that will banish odors and eliminate bacteria. Use the cut side of a lemon to scrub the surface, releasing its natural antibacterial properties, and infusing the board with a refreshing citrus aroma. Allow the mixture to sit for 5 minutes, giving it time to penetrate and cleanse the surface thoroughly. Finally, rinse the board with warm water, watching as the water cascades over the surface, carrying away any remaining residue and leaving behind a sparkling, clean and sanitized cutting board. Our refrigerators, guardians of our nourishment, deserve to be havens of freshness and order. Begin by mixing 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 cup of water, creating a gentle yet powerful cleaning solution that will banish odors and restore freshness. Dip a soft cloth into the baking soda solution and meticulously wipe down shelves and drawers, removing any spills or crumbs that may have accumulated. To maintain a long-lasting freshness, place an open box of baking soda inside the refrigerator, allowing it to absorb any lingering odors. For optimal freshness, replace the baking soda box every 3 months, ensuring a continuous cycle of odor absorption and purity. Our drains, often overlooked heroes of our homes, deserve our attention and care. Begin by pouring half a cup of baking soda down the drain, envisioning it as a gentle yet powerful force descending into the depths, ready to tackle any obstacles in its path. Next, pour 1 cup of vinegar down the drain, creating a satisfying fizz as it reacts with the baking soda. Allow the mixture to work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes, giving it ample time to penetrate and dissolve any accumulated grime. Finally, flush with boiling water, sending a surge of heat through the drain to clear away any remaining residue and ensure a thorough cleanse. Repeat this process monthly to maintain clear drains and prevent future blockages. Our carpets deserve to be free from spills and mishaps. Sprinkle baking soda on the stain, spray vinegar to create a fizzing action. Let it sit for 5 minutes, gently scrub the area, vacuum to remove residue. Our upholstered furniture deserves to be havens of freshness. Sprinkle baking soda generously on sofas, chairs, or mattresses. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Add essential oil for extra freshness. Vacuum thoroughly to remove the baking soda. Repeat as needed for a fresh home. Our windows, portals to the outside world, and mirrors reflecting our own images deserve to sparkle with clarity and brilliance. Begin by mixing 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle, creating a gentle yet effective cleaning solution that will banish grime and leave your windows and mirrors sparkling clean. Spray the baking soda solution generously onto your windows and mirrors, ensuring complete coverage. Using a soft cloth, wipe down the surfaces in a circular motion, working from top to bottom to prevent streaks. For extra sparkle, buff the surfaces with a dry microfiber cloth or a crumpled piece of newspaper. Repeat this process as needed to maintain crystal clear windows and mirrors. Our tiles, often overlooked, can shine with renewed brilliance. Mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Apply the paste to the grout. Scrub with an old toothbrush. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Repeat monthly to maintain brightness. Just as every item in our homes deserves a designated place, our pantry staples deserve clear and organized storage. Embrace the power of labeled jars and containers, each one a testament to our commitment to order and clarity. Imagine reaching for a spice jar and knowing instantly its contents. The label a beacon of organization in a sea of culinary possibilities. Label each container clearly with the ingredient name and, if desired, the expiration date. A well-labeled pantry is a testament to our respect for the ingredients that nourish us and our commitment to creating a joyful and efficient culinary space. Just as we periodically declutter our homes to make space for what sparks joy, our kitchens deserve regular attention to maintain a sense of order and clarity. Begin by taking stock of your kitchen drawers and cabinets. Open each one and assess the contents, asking yourself if each item sparks joy or serves a practical purpose in your culinary endeavors. For items that are still in good condition but no longer spark joy in your kitchen, consider donating them to local charities or shelters. Discard any expired food items, broken kitchen tools, or gadgets that have lost their usefulness. A decluttered kitchen is an invitation to cook with joy, creativity, and a deep appreciation for the nourishment it provides. And there you have it, an incredible guide to cleaning and organizing your kitchen and home with just one amazing tool: baking soda. This affordable, eco-friendly solution will simplify your cleaning routine while delivering fantastic results. Remember, a tidy home is not about perfection, but about creating a space that sparks joy and reflects your values. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to support our channel. Comment below with your favorite cleaning hacks and subscribe for more smart tips and tricks to improve your home life. See you in the next video.